Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will use arrays to find products. Let's go over some vocabulary. 3 times 6 equals 18. We know the 3 and the 6 are our factors. The 18 is the product, which means the answer. The multiplication sign stands for groups of. 3 groups of 6 equals 18. Repeated addition. 3 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6. So we need 3 groups of 6. 1, 2, 3 groups with 6 inside of each one equals 18. For arrays, we need 3 rows of 6. So we know that 3 times 6 equals 18. Let's draw an array for 3 times 6. We know the 3 is the first factor and the 6 is the second factor. Let's write the problem. Let's draw the rows and label them. We need 3 rows because our first factor is 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to draw how many in each row and label it. 6 is our next factor, so there needs to be 6 in each row. We will label that 6. Let's count them all up to find the product. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the product of 3 and 6 equals 18. Let's draw an array for 5 times 4. Let's draw our rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our first factor was 5. Let's draw 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will label that 4. 5 times 4. When we count these all up, we will get 20. So we know that 5 times 4, or 5 rows of 4, equals 20. Let's do 3 times 3. Let's draw the rows. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw how many in each row. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Both of our factors were 3. 3 rows of 3. Let's count them to find the product. 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's draw the array for 5 times 6. We have 5 rows. Let's label that 5 for our first factor and 6 in each row. So we will label that 6. 5 times 6. 5 rows of 6 is 30. We count these up, we get 30. So 5 times 6 equals 30. These are our factors and this is our product. 1 times 8. We need 1 row with 8 in it. If we count these up, we get 8. So the product of 1 times 8 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 row